Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Fork. In this video we're going to speak about very special and from my point of view a very undervalued coin about Ethereum Classic. And yes guys, I didn't say something wrong. From my point of view this coin is very special and undervalued. I will tell you why in a few moments, but if you are watching my channel for the first time, this is the right time to click on the like and subscribe button. By the way, if you will have any questions until the end of this video, you can always ask me in the comments below. I am reading all the comments, I am answering all the comments. So if you are watching my videos for the first time, I'm Crypto Fork. I am trading and investing in cryptocurrency since 2016, and I really believe in Ethereum Classic. In the last bull cycle of 2021 I made a lot of profit on Ethereum and on Ethereum Classic, and I will just show you just few very interesting opinion. I will show you my opinion. This coin is in top 5 in my altcoin portfolio, and there is a lot of reasons for that. I am sure for 100% that if you will look at this video and you will see this video until the end, then you will understand for 100% why this coin is so special from my point of view. So let's start with this very important video. Ethereum Classic. What is Ethereum Classic? First of all, code is the god. They are not changing the god. They are not changing the code, guys, and this is very special because you can see that Ethereum, for example, Ethereum of Vitalik Buterin, they was work on proof of work. They had a mining proof of work, and then they just changed it to proof of stake just because they wanted to do it, and just because, let's say it, the community wanted to do it. But in real world and in there, from my point of view, this is the classic. This is the Ethereum Classic. The Ethereum Classic, their special thing is they are not changing the code. If they were proof of work, they will be always proof of work, and from my point of view this is very special. And we can see that the miners, the people who mined Ethereum, and right now they are mining as well Ethereum Classic, from my point of view they know something, but we will speak about that in few moments. We can see that Ethereum Classic have events as well. We can see that just a few days ago we have the summit of 2023. By the way, if you are watching this video even in 2024 or even in 2025 or whenever you are watching this video, I'm sure for 100% that this video will be relevant for you. So we can see that they are making meetings, they are making events, they are trying to develop something new, they are trying to share with you that there is Ethereum Classic as well. From my point of view this is very special. We can see that in about every day or every 2 days we can see that there are new headlines on their website. They are trying to develop new applications. We can see that there are always new applications. I know that there are not a lot of applications on Ethereum Classic, but guys, let's not forget about the very low market cap of Ethereum Classic. From my point of view this is one of the most cryptocurrencies that they are undervalued. Look at the total market cap, even in a bear market, is about 1 trillion of US dollars. But look at the market cap of Ethereum Classic, and guys, 2.3 guys, trillions of US dollars, guys. These billions, I'm sorry, 2.3 billions of US dollars, guys. Market cap is 28. Ethereum, the Ethereum of Vitalik Buterin is on 2, guys, and the market cap is much higher. Look at the volume, the 24 hours volume. We're at 48th place. No one is interested in this coin, but guys, I will show you what is happening always in bull markets, and let's not forget about this very important thing about what is always happening in a bull market. And I will show you that maybe for the next bull run, even if you are here to make profits, and I'm sure that you are here 99% of why you are investing in cryptocurrencies, this is in order to make profits. Maybe even Ethereum Classic will be your best choice for the next bull run of 2024, 2025, or whatever it will be, even for the next bull run of 2028, 2029. So let's speak about the circulation. I really like that there is a limit, there is a max supply. In Bitcoin, the max supply is 21 million of millions of Bitcoins. In Ethereum Classic, the maximum is 21 700 millions and 700,000 of Ethereum Classic, guys. From my point of view, right now we are at 68% of all the circulation. From my point of view, this is very positive that there is a limit in circulation, because this is a place to make things, to make manipulations in the market like there are always in a bull run. So let's pick why in the bull run. From my point of view, this is in my top 5 altcoins, first of all in my portfolio, because I really believe that in order to buy this token, this is a very simple. In order to hold this token is very simple. You can build on this token same things, like similar things, let's tell it like that, similar things like on the real Ethereum, like on Ethereum of Vitalik Buterin. But look what's happening. You have wallets, you have all the same wallets: MyCrypto, MetaMask, Brave, Met Wallet, Opera. You have all the biggest wallets. You have Ledger, you have Trezor, you have all the biggest wallets. All the biggest wallet exchange are actually accepting Ethereum Classic. You have place where to hold it. This is very important. But in the next bull run, when there will be a lot of hype, I am sure that a lot of people will try to buy this token. In order to buy this token, by the way, guys, if you're interested to buy this token, you can find the links in the comments below, guys, in the descriptions of this video. All right, so if you want to buy this token, where you can buy it? So you can buy it on DYDX, you can buy in Ethereum Classic Swap. I think that Ethereum Classic Swap, this is a very important thing, because this is the same thing you can buy, by the way, on PancakeSwap. You can see that all the biggest exchanges you can buy Ethereum Classic on. I'm sure that if you are traded on the biggest exchanges, you can find your exchange in the list that you are seeing in front of your eyes, and this is very positive. You can see apps, that the apps are actually, there are a lot of development. Of course, I'm expecting to have more development in the next bull cycle, because this is the time where new developments are actually happening in usual. But you can see that NFTs, last hype, last bull cycle was around NFTs. You can see that there are NFTs as well on Ethereum Classic. By the way, in order to buy, for example, an NFT on OpenSea, you must have Ethereum, right? So the same thing, guys, on Ethereum Classic. In order to buy NFTs on Ethereum Classic, you must have Ethereum, and this is what is happening. All the hype, this is what happens. A lot of price movements, of course, to the upside. I will tell you my prediction for the next cycle just in few moments. You can see that you can build games on Ethereum Classic. You can see that you can make you can see that you can make a lot of things like wrapped Ethereum Classic, like, you know, that there is wrapped Bitcoin on the Ethereum network. The same thing, the same swaps, the same exchanges, the same things. You can see the same exchanges between blockchains. You can see that you can make it on Ethereum Classic as well. Finance, guys, DeFi, DAXs, DAOs, you can see that the same things you can make on Ethereum Classic, guys. From my point of view, this token in the next bull cycle. And if you are so lucky and you are watching this video when the price of Ethereum Classic is around 15, 16, even 20 US dollars, from my point of view, you are really lucky, because you are buying before all the new people that will come in the next bull cycle. Let's look the others. You can see that there is Shiba Classic. There is a lot of things that actually you can build on. Network, community, mining, guys. About the mining we will speak in a few moments, and of course development. But about the minings we will speak in a few moments. From my point of view, this is very positive. Let's speak about the Twitter, because they have Twitter, but actually and unfortunately the Twitter is not really active. The community is really small on Twitter, but from my point of view, when people will search Ethereum in the next cycle, they will find Ethereum Classic, and this is very positive, because they will look, for example, that the price of Ethereum is 5,000, for example, and the price of Ethereum Classic is just 100. For a new people that coming to the market, of course, this is a very positive. And from my point of view, and I will show you in a few moments what this is making to the price of Ethereum Classic, I will show you you in few moments. There is one of the biggest funds that actually investing and making things in the cryptocurrency world. This is Grayscale. You can see that you can buy a stock that actually following the Ethereum Classic price. From my point of view, this is very positive. It means that Grayscale really believe in Ethereum Classic. By the way, Grayscale is one of the biggest holders of Ethereum Classic. They are holding a lot of Ethereum Classic in their portfolio. From my point of view, and when I see these things, when I see that big fund is actually holding tokens, from my point of view, this is very positive. You can see that actually this is following not one by one, but when there will be, and I'm sure for 100% that when the Bitcoin ETF will be approved, when the Ethereum ETF will be approved, there will be Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, spot ETF as well, guys. I'm sure for 100%, but it might take time. And I want to show you just the market cap. Look at this very low market cap, and look at the market cap of all the market, and just imagine what could happen where there will be spot ETF on Ethereum Classic. I know that it might take even years, but it will happen, and well, it will start to happen on other cryptocurrencies. I'm sure for 100% that it will happen on Ethereum Classic as well. And from my point of view, this is a very positive that you can buy even a stock that following the price of Ethereum Classic. So let's pick on the miners, guys, and the miners and the hash rate. This is very important, because look what happened in the last bull cycle. Alright, so in the last bull cycle at the all-time highs, the terahashes, the hash rate was about 29, let's speak about 30 terahashes. We can see that right now we are in about 500 percentages higher. We are in about 150 terahashes from the last all-time highs of the last cycle, and this is very positive. This spike this last spike of the hash rate, this has happened because Ethereum went from proof of work to proof of stake. From my point of view, this is very positive for Ethereum Classic. And let me be clear, the miners, they are investing millions of US dollars in mining. From my point of view, they know for 100% of what they are doing, what they are buying, why they are buying this equipment in order to mine Ethereum Classic. And yes, guys, I'm seeing the same thing that you are seeing as well, that the hash rate was 205 terahashes per second. It fell to 113 terahashes, but guys, it went again up. And we can see that the miners, from my point of view, they are really believe in Ethereum Classic. And this is very important, because if you are seeing in the last cycle, when Ethereum was proof of work, it went from the price of 80 to 4,800 US dollars for one Ethereum. In the last cycle, and let's look at that. Let's look at the charts, guys. Let's just look at the charts. The price of Ethereum Classic was around 3 US dollars, and it went to around 180 US dollars. It's 60x from the bottom to the top. Let's pick what happened to Ethereum when it were proof of work. It went from 80 to 4,800, the same 60x. So from my point of view, what is making value to a token, to a coin, this is of course the miners. And from my point of view, if we went up 500%, around 500%, and again, guys, I'm just reminding you that we are still in the bear market, and I am just showing you that even if from all-time highs to the bear market, the hash rate went up by 500%. From my point of view, there is something here in Ethereum Classic. There is something special, because the miners are here to make money as everyone. Mining, this is a big business of people that investing millions of US dollars, and from my point of view, they know something, and this is why Ethereum Classic is in top 5 of altcoins that I'm holding in my portfolio. So let's speak about the targets. All right, this is of course not a financial advice. I always like to look at similar tokens, similar coins of what I'm making a forecast. Let's speak about Ethereum, all right, because the all-time high of Ethereum was 4,800. From my point of view, we are going to make about 2x on Ethereum. It's going to be around 10,000 US dollars, 9,000 US dollars for Ethereum. From my point of view, Ethereum Classic going to make the same thing from all-time highs. But, and this is very, very important, guys, look how much Ethereum Classic is went down from all-time high. It was 180 and it fell by 91%. If you're here to make money, from my point of view, Ethereum Classic, and again I'm looking what the miners are doing, and if the miners are believing this coin, I believe in this coin as well, because these guys know what they are doing, all right, because they are investing, again guys, millions of US dollars in order to make money in the next bull market. So let's speak about what's happening here. From my point of view, this coin might touch 350, 500 US dollars, and yes guys, you heard it right, from 350 US dollars to 500 US dollars, guys, in the next bull market. Look at the price. I think that if you are watching this video and the price is still below 20 US dollars for one Ethereum Classic, you are really, really lucky, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. My name was CryptoFork and my name is CryptoFork. Click on the like button, of course on the subscribe button as well. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments below. Thank you very much. See you in the next cryptocurrency video. Bye bye.